I'm back in Crocker Homestead. It's almost Christmas time. And I stole Jared's money, and we're about to go to Canton Trade Days. Let's see what we can find.
Not as packed today as we thought it'd be, but come on for the journey. You should get this for your bar.
We just found this entire bucket of $5 cameras, and this is what I came for.
Thanks, sir. So we've been out here for about 2 hours now. Haven't found anything. A lot of people, a lot of things to look at. See what we can find.
I have pepper.
All right. This is more my section, not so much Jaylena's.
We're walking.
We're ready to spend some money and make some deals. Don't drop.
$55.
This is the cool part. This is the old stuff. Stuff you find at American Pickers. You know what this is, Lola? Stick your minnows in there. An old fishing thing. You stick your minnows in there and you put it in the water.
I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time at the Crocker Homestead.